Alright, finally got around to getting me one of these new and improved 3-bladed Lasko box fans that are the hot thing on the market right now. I mean, check it out, man. This thing just looks like it's gonna blow 10,000 CFM. Back of it. Man, right out of the box. Fresh and rusty. It even comes with 2 spare blades. It looks like they did away with the fuse plugs. Now, in reality, I just found this sitting curbside. I was on my way home in a different neighborhood, and I thought to myself, if I'm driving up to it, and I was like, this thing has got to still run, at least. I mean, I would imagine. But so I just threw it in the back of the truck, and then here it is. So I got the power draw meter out, and we're gonna see what this thing's still capable of. Here's high speed. Oh man, that's definitely what I paid $20 for. Look at the spin down time on that. Almost did the Pharaoh's Fury carnival ride there for a second. Curious to see what the power draw is on one of these now. I'm going to go ahead and fire it back up on low while I hold it. 0.4. $57 watts. Go up to medium. This thing is just dancing. 67 watts. High speed. $75 watts. 0.7 amps. Everybody's favorite fan.